Tourists flocking hill stations, crowds at popular beaches. These are common scenes one gets to see since the second wave started receding in India. But if you are planning for a vacation during the upcoming festival and holiday season, you need to stop and think twice before booking the tickets. A latest study by the Indian Council of Medical Research (ICMR) and Imperial College London has warned that revenge travel could worsen the third COVID wave in India and cause a higher peak between the months of February and March in 2022. Revenge travel or tourism refers to the desire to go on a vacation after an extended period of lockdown, resulting in crowds at tourist spots. The study, published in the peer-reviewed International Journal of Travel Medicine, is based on a mathematical model that charts the future course of the pandemic. The study recreated what would happen in a hypothetical Indian state that resembles Himachal Pradesh based on the dynamics of its first and second waves and the much lower seroprevalence of SARS-CoV-2 compared to the rest of the country. Based on the conclusions of the study, the ICMR has now warned that a sudden increase in population density due to incoming tourists can worsen the third COVID wave scenario, as the extent of transmission is likely to be much higher. The study also reveals that the level of virus transmission could be higher in areas where population-level immunity has not yet reached acceptable levels when compared to other parts of the country. An increase in influx of tourists in such areas can be potential hazards in sparking the third wave. The study noted that the impact of pandemic on smaller states was less intense during the second wave. Among these smaller states are popular tourist destinations such as Himachal Pradesh and Assam. These states are currently seeing a surge in tourists. The study warns that the third wave sparked by revenge travel will not go easy on these states. The study has also warned that the third wave of the pandemic could see cases surge by 47% solely because of the revenge travel factor. The study projects that in a worst-case scenario, the third wave peak could go up to 103%. India has been witnessing a steady surge in revenge travel ever since COVID restrictions were eased across the country post the second wave. While this has benefited the economy, it is definitely not helping keep COVID from raising its ugly head again. ICMR estimates have cautioned that this trend can go up in the upcoming festive season and thereby trigger the onset of the third wave 2 weeks earlier than previously estimated. India currently doesn't have national level guidelines on domestic travel amidst the pandemic. The ICMR has recommended that tourist destinations such as Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand and the Northeast strictly enforce pandemic protocols and seek vaccination certificates along with COVID-19 negative tests from tourists before allowing them entry. So stop and think again before you book that holiday trip, because only a collective responsibility can prevent India from reliving through the horrors of yet another wave of the pandemic. A Federal Report.